Patio doors play a bigger role in your home than you might realize. They bring in natural light, connect your living space to the outdoors, and help maintain energy efficiency. But like any part of your home, they eventually wear down. If you live in Clinton Township, where seasonal temperature swings can be tough on older doors, recognizing the signs of patio door deterioration is essential. Replacing your patio door at the right time not only improves comfort and security but also enhances curb appeal and boosts your home's value. Here are the top signs it may be time for patio door replacement in your Clinton Township home. You feel drafts or notice temperature changes near the door. If your patio door area feels noticeably colder in winter or warmer in summer, that's a clear indicator of air leakage. Older doors often lose their insulation due to worn weather stripping, poor seals, or warped frames. In a climate like Clinton Township, where winters can be frigid and summers warm, energy loss can drive up utility bills. A new energy-efficient patio door eliminates drafts, helping your home maintain a steady temperature and reducing heating and cooling costs. The door becomes hard to open, close, or lock. A patio door should glide or swing smoothly. If yours sticks, scrapes, or requires extra effort to move, the frame or track may be damaged. Michigan's humidity and fluctuating temperatures can cause frames to warp over time, affecting functionality. Difficulty locking the door is also a safety concern, as it reduces your home's protection. Replacing the door restores safe, effortless operation and provides the reliable security your family deserves. Fogging or condensation between the glass panes. If you see cloudiness or moisture trapped between the panes of your patio door glass, the seal has failed. This is common in older double-pane doors. Once the seal breaks, the door loses its insulating gas, reducing energy efficiency and making the glass appear unattractive. Condensation between panes cannot be wiped away, so replacing the patio door is typically the best solution. Visible damage to the frame, glass, or hardware. Chipped glass, cracked frames, and rusted or loose hardware are signs your door is well past its prime. Even minor structural damage can affect security, weather resistance, and appearance. In Clinton Township's changing climate, moisture intrusion through damaged areas can lead to mold, rot, or additional deterioration. A new patio door not only looks better but also ensures durability and long-lasting performance. Increased noise coming from outside. If outdoor noises, from neighbors, traffic, or yard activity, seem louder than before, your patio door may no longer be providing proper sound insulation. Today's patio doors are engineered with noise-reducing features, such as improved seals, thicker glass, and better frames. Replacing your worn-out door can make your home quieter and more peaceful. Your home's style has evolved, but your door hasn't. A patio door should complement your home's interior and exterior style. If you've updated other parts of your home but the patio door still reflects an older design, it might be time for an upgrade. Modern patio doors offer sleek frames, expansive glass, and stylish hardware that enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. A new door can transform both the look and feel of your living space. Your energy bills keep rising. Patio doors with aging seals or outdated glass technologies can significantly increase heating and cooling costs. Replacing an older door with a modern, energy-efficient model helps improve thermal performance, reduces air leakage, and lowers monthly utility bills, especially important in Clinton Township's varied climate. Upgrade your Clinton Township home with a new patio door. When your patio door no longer functions properly, affects energy efficiency, or detracts from your home's look, replacing it is a smart investment. A new patio door enhances comfort, boosts security, improves curb appeal, and increases home value. If you've noticed any of these signs, now is the perfect time to explore your options and upgrade your Clinton Township home with a durable, stylish, and energy-efficient patio door.